Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I want to talk about something I just read, guys. Listen to me, hear me out. There are car dealerships that are offering, get this, a 1,000,000-mile warranty. Okay, listen to what I'm saying. 1,000,000 miles, your car will be covered up to 1,000,000 miles. All right, but they're leaving out some of the fine print. Now, the thinking goes, you go in some of these dealerships to purchase a car. Naturally, you're going to want the highest mileage or the highest warranty per ratio mileage. You want the best warranty you can get, right? So there are some car dealers. Every new car sold is going to come with a 1,000,000-mile warranty. All right. Now, from what I'm reading, guys, that's a big catch. There's a big catch to this. Okay, let's go over some of this now. Let me go over some of this article I read because this is fairly interesting, guys. Now, get this. If you're in the market for a new car, you may have come across a dealership advertising a 1,000,000-mile warranty, and perhaps it was even offered for free. They may sound like a great deal, but it's not necessarily a good reason to give your business to one dealership instead of another that's not offering a super extended warranty. The value of a 1,000,000-mile warranty will depend entirely on your lifestyle, your plans for your new car, and how good you are at following rules. In other words, there are some stipulations. Okay, one could expect that, guys. Nothing is free. Now, I'm sure the goal of these dealerships is to sell cars, move numbers. So anything you have to say or do, you do it. You're trying to push numbers. You're trying to You're trying to get them out there. Once you get them out there and they're sold, now all of this stuff is binding by contract. So you still have to abide by the contracts. But there are some little small clauses in these things that are pretty interesting now. So many dealers that offer these warranty provide them for free on every new car that rolls off the lot. But that's not the only warranty your car will come with. Every new car sold in the United States has a factory back warranty that will cover repairs due to mechanical failure. All right. So these warranties vary by manufacturer. Now, but the powertrain coverage tends to cover at least the first 5 years or 60,000 miles of your car's life. Powertrain. Let's talk about powertrain for a little bit. There's been a lot of misconception about the word powertrain warranty. To me, okay, that warranty will cover anything that powertrain, make your car go, pretty much the drivetrain, the engine or the transmission, and anything in between mechanically that how do I word this, that makes your car go. Okay, now differential, everything, powertrain, drivetrain, they pretty much the same. That's what powertrain covers. Your engine, your transmission, if it's a rear wheel drive, the axle, the differential, things like that. All right, so a lot of people have that confused with my AC compressor out. Why is it not covered under my powertrain? No, that's not going to be covered. But I have a better explanation for powertrain warranty. I'll speak on later. Right now, I'm going off the cuff. Okay, so 1,000,000-mile warranties don't transfer to the next owner. That makes sense. So you'll be on to your next car, and the dealer won't have had to pay a dime for their extended warranty. So mind you, this thing costs. Okay, now you don't just get a car and automatically. It depends on how they word it, guys. So if they say if you buy this new car, it's going to come with a 1,000,000-mile warranty, all of that has to be in writing. At least you should demand that it be in writing to cover your own to cover your butt. Okay, in the extremely unlikely event that you're planning to keep your new car until the odometer rolls over. Who does that? You'd better put those miles on quickly. Many 1,000,000-mile warranties are actually 10-year or 1,000,000-mile warranties. That means you'll need to drive 100,000 miles per year on average to make the most of them. Most America drive 14,000 miles every year. Oh, I tend to disagree with that. That is kind of low. All right, especially if you're living in a area like Atlanta or something like that. Assuming you are the very unusual person who drive almost 300 miles a day, there are some out there. A non-commercial vehicle and plans to keep that vehicle for 10 years, there's still fine print in the average 1,000,000-mile warranty that could leave you holding the bag for major repair. First, like all car warranties, they only apply to specific parts. Okay. Yes. Dealers' loan warranties are typically limited to powertrain, including the engine, transmission, drive axle. Yes, powertrain pretty much covered things like that. All right, engine and anything in between, axles and stuff like that. And usually only certain parts are covered. For instance, it's common for damage to the engine block or cylinder head to only be covered by a warranty if the damage was caused by the failure of a different covered part. All right. I'm not sure that makes sense, and if you ever want to cash in on your warranty, you will have to religiously observe the car's service schedule and in some cases get all your service done at the dealership. Okay. Now, a lot of dealerships are going to that sold you the car. Wow. Now, that makes sense, man. Okay. In other words, they putting the decision-making process into the dealership's hand. If you go to a certain dealership, I'm sure we're not the only one to do this. I'm sure if you go to a dealership, they're going to look at your history. You can't just say, well, I had a tune-up and a 30K done at another dealer. You just pissed this dealership off. So why should he honor your warranty? Guys, it's becoming a matter of staying loyal to a dealership. When you buy your car, preferably the dealership that you bought the car from should handle all your maintenance. They're going to make sure, they're going to send you ad after ad or coupon after coupon, trying to make sure they maintain your service and your service needed to your car. So you're going to be getting total email from these places. So it might be in your best interest to try to find a dealership and stick with it. Okay. All right. Now, if you ever want to cash in on your warranty, you have to religiously observe the car's service schedule and maintenance. You want to change your own oil, that might be fine, but only if you save the receipts for the oil filter. Save the receipts. Guys, I talk about this all the time. It's all about paper trail. Okay, the paper trail. If there's no paper trail, you have no proof. Yes, you can let your son, that's an inspiring mechanic, change your oil in the garage. He will feel happy. He will feel good about himself. I just changed mom's oil. Yes, and you can hang on to the little stupid receipts, but that is not proof. Dealerships want proof by way of the history that they keep on your car. Okay, even something simple as an oil change. Okay, it's all about paper trail, people. Y'all got to keep that in mind. There's nothing inherent nefarious about an extended warranty program, especially if the dealer offer is for free. But it's also relatively unlikely that you'll ever reap any benefits from a 1,000,000-mile plan. So dealers offer these plans to help build goodwill with customers, but we can safely assume they'll stop doing it if they found themselves routinely giving out free. Yes. So if it get out of hand, if you find out, okay, I offered this warranty and I'm putting engines in cars left and right. Now, that could be a factory thing. And they quick to check your own records and find out if you still on the powertrain warranty. Okay. Especially these extended warranty companies, guys. I don't want this video to be long, but what I'm getting at is you have to read the fine print to some of these warranty, not just these 1,000,000-mile warranty, to every warranty, guys. There are fine prints to all of them. And one of them is maintenance schedule and records. Okay. We have turned down a number of customers that had warranties on file. Warranty that their car is covered, but because they not keeping up their maintenance, in some cases, their maintenance at the dealership that they're trying to get it fixed from, dealerships can turn them down. There is nothing illegal about that. Okay, you can rust, fight, and fuss all you want to. They can say, man, we're not going to put a transmission in your car when you never had a trans service, you never had a coolant flush, you never had a tune-up, you never had a diff service. Now, you can, on the other hand, give them incentive to honor your warranty by purchasing that, but depends on if you have the money or not, guys. That's not blackball. That's not blackmail. That's not anything. A lot of these shops are given the green light to practice that way. Okay, simply because car makers are tired of fitting the bill, paying out all these warranty claims because of lack of maintenance, guys. That's what it's all about. That's what it's really all about. Okay. Yes, guys. We're not gonna fix your ticking noise when your engine is sludged. We're not going to fix your ticking noise on the warranty. No. So I don't want this video to be long. So guys, if you You go in to buy a new car, you buy an extended warranty, hell, you buy a 1,000,000-mile warranty. Just read the fine prints and know, and also keep this in mind. Try to find your dealership that you trust and you'll stay loyal to them. They will, man, guy, I'm going to put this secret out there. Dealership, first thing they do when you come in the door, of course, they're going to run your VIN. That VIN tells them everything that you have done to the car under warranty. Now, maintenance wise, if you don't have anything under their files, they're going to try to reel you in to become a loyal customer. Yeah, they're going to offer you this, offer you that. But as far as major warranty repair, they can decline even though you have a warranty. All right, I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave that right there before I say something I have no business saying or I'm not authorized to say. All right, but that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all on the next video.